This is a very exciting day for me. So this is my shelf that my son is getting ready to hang. We've already kind of taped off where it's going to land. So in just a few minutes, he's going to start doing his thing. This is my handsome handyman son, y'all. Meet Michael. Say hello, Michael.
Hello.
The lighting is not that good. Let me get around here. Okay, Michael. Can you twist your head around like a, hey, Michael. This dude here has saved his mom on too many occasions in this house I live in. I have so many different, I could just look around my house and just see my son's handiwork everywhere for the entire 16 years that I've been here. Still have stuff that he fixed for his mom or hung for his mom, or he's a certified HVAC man, so if my air conditioner go out, hey, if I get a flood, call my baby and he come to his mama rescue. Yes, he does. Always have. Never let me down. Busy man, though. Busy man. This dude here, he a big old VP. Big old VP. Big old company, too. They don't be playing around. Yes, how's somebody going to be a big old VP and a handyman? I mean, he commands respect wherever he goes. Yeah, Michael is one of those guys that when you say they worked their way up to the top, started at the bottom.
Now we here.
And because of his hard work and dedicated work, I mean, when I say worked his way to the top, went from supervisor to director, VP. My boy's sitting on the organizational chart of the company. Proud mama, though. Wonderful husband. Two beautiful children.
Materials that transpired from a job, leftover materials.
Wow.
So every job I do, I always have leftover stuff that comes in handy.
Hey, you got that from your mama.
I mean, I got a lot of it.
Oh yeah, he get a lot. He get a lot of his ways from his mom, y'all. Very resourceful. I have to give his dad some credit too, because he wouldn't know the HVAC stuff, electrical, and all that kinds of
Handyman, period.
He would not know it if it wasn't for his dad, because that was his dad all the way. He too was a jack of all trades and a master of many.